Hi, it's Jamie with Jamie's Arts a la Cartes. Thank you very much for joining me. I have a fun project planned for us today. I hope this video inspires you to create something of your own. If you would, hit the like button and share the video with your friends. That helps me to grow this channel and to continue to bring you new projects. If you haven't subscribed yet, would you please consider subscribing? And if you have, thank you very much. Well, we have a lot to do, so let's get to it. Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick update on the dollhouse. We've made great progress. Kind of wanted to show you some of those final steps to get us to that end product. We may or may not do the base, but this is where we're at for the moment, and just wanted to share that with you. Hope you enjoy it. Well, there it is. Oh my goodness, how exciting. We've got the inside decorated. Got it tilted back so I can try to show you. How about that? It all came together nicely. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this little update. Lots of work went into this. Labor of love, though. Over there, I even got books on that little credenza back there. Got books over here. Flowers, baskets. Our little library has books. A little rocking chair. A little floral piece. Our living room. There's that table we worked on. Oh, I see it. There we go. All right. So next time we meet, I will be working on the outside, trying to get some little floral pieces, landscaping done. Oh, we even got skillets and carrots and eggs. Oh my. How fun. All right, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, like it, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, would you please consider subscribing? And well, until next time, happy crafting. All right, I'll get you some close-ups. And until next time, y'all.